Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to learn how to create and edit videos for our Facebook ads. Videos are very important because using them you can provide deep explanation about your products and services and convert more people to buy from you or to give you their emails. If you are selling an ebook, you can shoot a 5-minute video explaining about how your ebook helps people solve their problems. If you are selling your consulting services, you can shoot an interview of one of your clients and use the review in your advertising campaigns. In this lecture, I will teach you how to shoot and edit your video. Before shooting your video, you should start by writing your video script and practicing it, especially if you are not very familiar with standing in front of a camera. You shoot the same video several times and you use the better version. So what is the best structure for a Facebook ads video? First, you start by attracting your viewers' attention while they are scrolling, and you invite them to activate the sound, and you add this as a text in the video with an emoticon. Second, you propose the problem. 3, you introduce yourself. 4, you introduce the solution. 5, you invite your viewers to click on the link they find above the video, and you point out by your hand where they should be clicking. And remember to always add subtitles to your videos because some people don't activate the sound. So you need to add subtitles. In this way, you make sure that they will understand the ideas behind the video without activating the sound. You add white text with a black background for your subtitles, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So in order to shoot your video and in order to have a good quality for your video and for your sound, I recommend you to use professional materials. Here are the materials I use to shoot my videos. You need a camera, a professional one, a microphone, a voice recorder, a camera stand, and an editing software. I don't recommend you to use the voice recorded by the camera because it will be very noisy and it will be very deep. You need a microphone. Microphone will give you a very clear and a very high quality voice. So let's jump to Camtasia and let's see how to edit your video in there. I will start by importing the medias I'm going to use in this video. So I'm going to import the video and the sound. After importing these two files, you need to synchronize them. So I'm going to add the video in here to the first track. And I'm going to add the audio. You just have to click on it and to scroll. In order to synchronize these two files, you just have to enlarge the view in here and to scroll the audio in here. If you want, you can hear the voice and see if it's synchronized.
Hi there and welcome to this video.
We can see that it's synchronized. If you want to get better and easier synchronization, you just have to start your shooting by clapping your hands. In this way, you will see a peak in here like a high line of voice, and you can synchronize both files in this line. Anyway, synchronization is very easy, so no need to worry. Now I want to show you the difference between the audio recorded by the camera and the audio recorded by the microphone. So let's say I want to try in this area in here. I will lower the voice of the microphone.
And remember, at the end of
So this is the audio coming from the camera.
And remember, at the end of this video, I will.
Now let's check the audio coming from the microphone.
And remember, at the end of this video,
See, the difference is huge. That's why I recommend you to always use a microphone. So after synchronizing both files, now I want to change the size of my video. If you are going to use this video to advertise on Facebook and on Instagram, it's better to have a squarish video. So I'm going here to File, I'm going to Project Settings, and I'm going to choose here Customize, and I'm going to pick a squarish size. So now I have to crop my video to make it squarish. Awesome. So this is my video and it's squarish. Also, if you are going to use this video for Instagram and for Facebook ads, you should keep in mind that videos for Instagram ads shall not exceed 1 minute. So you have to write your script keeping this in mind. Let's say now I want to trim this area, I do like this and I trim this area. If for example I want to trim this area, I do like this. While shooting you will be making a lot of errors and you will be repeating the same things over and over again, so you need to trim several parts. So you just have to do that by scrolling like this and trimming. So let's say I have finished editing this video and I'm now going to work on my end product. I have to start by first inviting people to activate the voice. So what I do is I go to annotations and I add something like this, for example, a black box. In here you click on the arrow in order to be able to change the size of the shape. So this is my shape and it's black. I'm going to add a text in here. I'm going to write activate the sound. To change the size and the color of this text in here, you can change the font, you can change the size, and you can change the color. Let's say I want to make it a little bit larger. And I'm going to add some emoji in here. In Camtasia you can insert GIFs, so I'm going to insert a GIF I have already downloaded. This is it. It will attract the attention of my viewers, so I'm going to add it like that, and I'm going to minimize the size. It's rotated, so I'm going to fix it like this. Perfect, and I'm going to add it in here. Sure, you can work on finalizing this and making it look better. So this is my video, the first part of my video. Then later on I will be adding the subtitles. Also at the bottom of the video or up here, it's up to you. You can add the subtitles with the same background and with the same text. So for example, if I want to add subtitles, I just have to copy. I select them, I copy these two and I paste them. They are in here. I move them like that in here. If this is the location of the text I want to write, this is where I want to have them. You can modify the size of the timing of these annotations by simply doing the following, like this. You can keep the same shape all over the video, and you keep adding your videos and you keep adding your text scene after scene in a way to have subtitles for the entire video. And after you finish with your video, you can add a background music if you want. You just have to click here on insert track. Below, you go in here to library, you go to music tracks and you pick one of them. Let's say I want to pick this one. You can use a music track from your own library if you want, it's up to you. So after adding the music track, I will lower the voice of this track because I want I don't want the voice of this track to be higher than my voice, so I'm going to lower the voice in here to 10%, for example. You can maximize the track like this if you want, and you lower the voice more. So after finalizing your video, now you have to produce this video to have your final product, your final video, the one you are going to use in your ads. You go in here to share, you go to custom production, you click on new custom production, and you pick MP4, you pick next, and you don't have to change anything in here. They are all changed in a better way. You can minimize a little bit the quality to get a smaller video size. A 70%, 75 is good, and you click on next and you publish the video. It will take a few seconds and it will be ready to be used. Hopefully you loved this lecture and it will help you creating awesome videos for your ads. Stay tuned and let's meet in the next lecture.